Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, The Silver Crown. And you're probably wondering, what in the world is that? Well, in the last video, I was telling you guys I was thinking about making my own perfume. So my bottles came in. I was going to do a part 2 on how to make it, but I had to go back and make so many adjustments and recalculations with my husband till it was just too much to film. So anyway, I've ended up with 6 bottles. Here's my notebook that has my recipes in it. And I just wanted to show you guys what I did. This one's called Last Call, Monsieur, or Monsieur. My husband speaks French, I don't. Forever Yours, Escape, Dreams, and My Way. This is the first one I did. So, I don't know, I just kind of sat here and after I put them together, then I would smell it and then I would name it. So I'm going to let these sit for a couple of weeks and see how they do. I can use them now. It's just that they're not as well blended as they will be in a couple of weeks. So I'm just going to let them sit for a little bit. I might sneak a sniff every now and then. But anyhow, I just had some labels that I use on my soaps. And I decided, well, I can stick those on my bottles too, because these are, you know, just for me to use. And they vary in their fragrance, of course, or whatever. Some of them smell earthy, some of them smell floral, some of them, you know, like that. So anyhow, I just wanted to come on here. I'm sorry I couldn't record it. It was just too much going on. I had bottles everywhere. I don't have a tripod. And there you go. So anyhow, there you go. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have questions, get my email address down in the description box. You will see it down there. It's enoughgrace12@aol.com, and I will answer any questions that I can. If you wanted to ask me about hair, or if you wanted to ask me about how I made these perfumes, and I'd be happy to help you. Anyhow, have a good day. Keep it natural.